Hello, everybody. This is Anja, and this video is about the Gospels of Thomas and Mary Magdalene. It's more an introduction because I had long Zoom discussions with Dr. Raymond Keller, the author of this book. This is the English version that's already published, and I'm now working on the German translation. So, and now I'm neither perfect in English nor am I an expert in biblical English or in Old English, and not in biblical context. So you can imagine that it is really not easy to understand everything, although I make use of a software, DeepL it's called, and without the software I think I might probably I would not be able to make it at all. But the software gives me a very good foundation. And this is the groundwork that I'm then reading and editing and reading again and editing again. And of course, then in the course of all that, questions arise. And so I feel personally that being kind of chosen to do this work and to even translate, I was allowed, and I feel very honored that I published the English book, and now I am finished the German translation. It's kind of finished, and it is like I feel very humble when I think of the content and the impact and the energy of this message that is in the book. And so, uploading videos that are not really edited and that take 3 hours is nowadays something that is kind of either crazy or you don't do it at all. Normally you either edit stuff and sit there maybe for days or for hours. If you're not a professional video editor, of course, you sit there for a long time cutting and editing and everything. And in this case, I just edited a little bit, but I kind of decided right away that I'm going to publish it. And no matter how many people are going to watch it, even if it's just one person that feels the interest to dive into it, and I tell you that it is worth it, because of course, it may seem sometimes a little outdated, the language and the way some things are described and everything. It's kind of a little old, yes, old-fashioned. But the core message is so deep and is so pure, and it contains so much divinity that it's not possible to explain it in simple words, and it cannot be conveyed within an instant or in a fast shorty or in a TikTok video also, because it kind of really requires deep listening, deep reading, deep studying, rereading, contemplating, meditating. But the advantage nowadays is that everything goes faster. We have such an acceleration of frequency and of consciousness that even maybe when you're just listening now to this message that I'm giving, and that is kind of introducing these discussions. I call these videos now the gospel discussions with Anja and Dr. Raymond Keller, or Anja and Cosmic Ray. It can give you an idea. And maybe you just want to click on it and listen to a few minutes, and maybe you get an idea or some spark hops over. And if not, then not. Well, I feel it's valuable content, and what other chances do we have nowadays to share the beauty and the love and the information that we have here and that we are trying to bring across? Of course, we do have physical encounters as well, which are tremendously important. That's why we have these conferences this summer. Please check them out and come to Germany if you can. because this is going to be very powerful to have these speakers with Dr. Raymond Keller, Omnic, Onic, and the German ones and other ones from other countries here together. So now, I just would like to encourage you, if you want to go into the study of these Gospels deeper, either to get the book. The English is available and the German you can pre-order. It's going to be published in maybe, I would say probably by March or April at the latest in 2024. Then it will be available in German. And now, as a little preparation, you can download the link, the PDF file that I'm putting in the YouTube in the video description. That was my preparation for the discussion that's now going to follow. And this is, as I said, kind of, it's uncut. It's just 3 hours where we are discussing all these points in detail that I was stumbling over. And it goes very deep. You may not understand everything right away. I didn't either. I still don't. Well, that's the way it is. And very soon I'm going to have a second part, probably also the last part for this information part, gospel discussions with Ray, and I want to upload that as well. So if you want to take the time, please enjoy. Sending my love and blessings to you. Bye-bye.